Sundarbans, India's one and only place which has one of the most significant environmental and geographical values. It has the largest river delta and mangrove forest on earth. Not only the nature, Sundarbans have the largest population of Royal Bengal tiger. But having all of these, still this place is quite unexplored by most of the people from India and also from many other countries around the world. Recently, I got a chance to explore some of the parts of this national forest, and I was blown away when I got into this place and realized how we could ignore such a place which has breathtaking natural beauties and some of the most beautiful wild animals. During my visit, I realized that how we as human beings destroying our own life shield which is protecting us from various natural disasters. How we are ignoring the importance of this ecosystem. This is one of the reasons why these tigers are now endangered species. The forest land is also decreasing slowly due to the rise of sea level, which is long-term effect of global warming. And we are all responsible for this. I know we can't change it over the night, but we should think about it. We should protect our nature as it is protecting us from the beginning. I wish you will also visit Sundarbans and witness our natural shield on your own, and then you will realize the actual value of this place.